Welcome to this explainer. So if you're stepping into the world of databases and information systems for the very first time, you're probably asking yourself, all right, what's actually in it for me? Well, the goal of this material is pretty straightforward. We're going to take you from staring at raw, messy data all the way to making real, impactful business decisions. But look, let's just address the elephant in the room right up front. Why do databases feel so incredibly intimidating? It's a super common frustration. Learning technical terms like SQL or database normalization, it can honestly feel like you're trying to learn an alien language. It just feels totally disconnected from actual business value, and it leaves you wondering why any of this even matters to a real company. If you've ever felt that way, your frustration is completely valid. And trust me, it's not a lack of effort on your part. The real problem here is fragmented learning. Often, you're taught data over here, software over there, and then business performance somewhere else entirely. It's basically like being handed 1,000 puzzle pieces without the box cover to show you what the final picture is supposed to look like. Well, we are going to fix that. And that brings us to the really big idea. The core philosophy of everything we're doing here is moving from data to decisions. Every single section is part of one continuous, logical narrative. We're not just throwing a bunch of random, isolated topics at you. You absolutely will not be left to figure out how all these pieces connect on your own. So here is the exact roadmap we'll be following. First, we start with raw data. Then, we give it structure by organizing it into tables. Next, we connect those tables through relationships. And once they're all connected, we can start asking really precise questions using queries. Those queries generate analytics, and finally, those analytics drive real, informed business decisions. It's a single, unbroken chain of value creation. Now, to truly master this chain, you've got to practice. So throughout the material, you'll first learn the core concepts in a guided, step-by-step environment by building out what we call the grading database. After that, you'll step into the PetVax Veterinary Hospital Database for independent lab-based application. This dual approach is huge. It ensures you aren't just passively reading, but you're actually proving you can apply these skills to entirely different business scenarios. But you might be wondering, why does all this technical structure actually matter when it comes to business performance? Well, because a database isn't just some digital filing cabinet. It's literally the structure that shapes what an organization can see, what it can measure, report, and ultimately improve. Think about it. A poorly designed database hides answers. It causes immense confusion. But a well-designed one, that clarifies the truth and makes your information incredibly easy to trust. Think of it kind of like this. Just like a business fundamentally relies on labor, money, and materials, data is a core input for creating value. How you structure your data directly impacts your organization's ability to create products, deliver services, and actually succeed under the everyday constraints of the real world. It's absolutely crucial. Okay, before you dive into the material, I want to leave you with a few key habits for success. First, always start with the business question. Ask yourself, what problem are we actually trying to solve here? Second, pay close attention to structure because honestly, small choices up front have massive consequences later on. Third, test your work constantly. When you hit an error, and you will, treat it as a clue pointing to something worth learning, not as a failure. And lastly, always, always connect your technical tasks right back to their actual business meaning. So your ultimate takeaway before you begin is simply this. Don't just memorize terms. Build systems thinking. I want you to look for connections on every single page. As you get started, ask yourself, are you going to be just a passive consumer of data? Or are you ready to become a true data-driven decision maker? Let's get started.